Welcome back to my creative video. Today I will tell you the story of how I created an amazing machine. I will recycle the water purifier pump into a permanent generator. I have a broken pump motor. I will use it to generate electricity. First, I will use a screwdriver to disassemble it. This motor has one stator coil inside and two magnet bars outside. However, I just use the stator coil inside to make the generator. Next, I will use a piece of wood to make a base for the generator. I will install the two bearings in place to mount it on the wood panel. I used special glue to fix the two sides of the bearing to the wooden base. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Next, I use small round magnets to mount onto the stator shaft. Use special glue to attach it to the outside of the stator coil. Note, the magnet has two poles, so we will attach the magnets alternately. Next, I use a small motor to pull the stator shaft. I will attach two plastic covers to the motor to make legs for it. I will mount a pulley on the stator shaft. Next, I will mount the small motor to the wooden base with special glue. Next, I will use a large round magnet to magnetize the stator shaft. I will mount the magnet on the wooden base of the stator shaft. I will use a booster board to boost the current from the stator coil to 220 volts. I used screws to screw the circuit board to the wooden base. Next, I will connect the two wires from the stator coil to the two pins of the circuit board. Then I used a socket and used special glue to attach it to the wooden base. Continue connecting the two wires of the socket to the two outputs of the board. I use an Arapto to power the small motor. Next, I will use a rubber band with the two ends connected together to form a belt. I used my hand to activate the stator shaft to rotate. Then immediately the small motor rotated. Of course, the small motor will pull the stator shaft to rotate periodically. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. I have completed the cyclic generator and will now take it for a test run. I use the fan to test the current from the generator. I use an extra light bulb. Isn't it amazing? Didn't expect that with just such materials I could create a strong electric current. Let's admire together the results that you and I have just created. If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much.